If a muscle car is a lightweight ride equipped with a big engine, then an AMC Gremlin stuffed with a V8 could be considered a prime example. This Wild Plum 1972 AMC Gremlin X is a freshly restored addition to the brothers' collection and was shared with us by restorer Gary Riley at the 2018 Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals.
My customer wanted to have a Gremlin in his collection. As luck would have it, we find this Wild Plum 72 V8 Gremlin. I'm like, wow, that's the perfect one. It looks just like the brochure car, but it needs restored. So we said, well, what the heck, let's do it.
Now, I can almost hear what you're saying. A Gremlin on Muscle Car of the Week? Really? Well, 'tis true, my friends, but not a completely boring econobox. No, this little gem is powered by the new for 1972 304 cube AMC V8 engine and is backed by a 3-speed manual transmission. And you'd think that this combo would be street lethal in a 2,900-pound car, but unfortunately, the timing was a bit off for our mischievous little purple sprite. AMC needed a small car to compete with the new Chevrolet Vega, Ford Pinto, and imports like the VW Beetle, but they didn't have the green to start a new car platform from scratch. And while the 1968 concept AMX GT was stunning with its red, white, and blue colors, sleek lines, side pipes, and slotted mags, the production Gremlin was sliced and diced from the smaller Hornet platform instead of the Javelin. And the result is this cam-backed, nose-heavy, instant small car you see here. By the way, designer Richard Teague is said to have sketched the original design in flight on an air sickness bag. Hopped-up commuter cars like the 1970 Yenko Deuce Nova rang people's bells with a 360 horsepower LT1 350 and a 3,450-pound surprise package. But thanks to new gasoline and emission standards, 1972 was the crack of doom for muscle cars. Which is a bummer, because if this little zinger's 2-barrel choke 304 was more than 8.4 to 1 compression and had a 4-barrel, better cam, heads, and exhaust, it would have made more than the astounding 150 horsepower. But alas, the 5-liter X was good for a 16.8-second quarter-mile time, and while not really that speedy, it was far faster than the 6-cylinder version's 20-second quarter-mile times.
It has a really cool traction bar rear end to handle the actual, the extra power that this put down, and you could get good gear ratios and a positive traction. You get all kinds of cool options. Disc brakes. It's kind of a mini little muscle car.
Gremlin was a couple inches longer than the competitor compact VW Beetle, and that length, well, it was all in the schnoz. Our 304X looks nearly identical to the car in a print ad that called out VW owners to make the switch, complete with a free repair and loaner program should a new Gremlin develop, well, gremlins. Inside, it was Basic City with a pair of high back buckets and 3 on the floor, but the sport steering wheel is pretty cool, and we dig the engine-turned gauge panel trim. The Wild Plum color is accented by gold stripes with silver-faced rally wheels and white-letter Goodyear tires on the pavement. Yeah, it's a little stodgy, but it was great fun to drive, and this one even won some trophies at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. I love it. Thank you so much for bringing it up.
You got it. Thanks a lot. Yeah.